morning comes with the early summer light. Curtains sway gently by the window, and you're sleeping. Tender wind dancing on my skin makes me stay in bed a little longer to hear you breathing. Long for those quiet days when the hours drift away. Petals fall on the window pane as the clouds above float away. Evening comes with a fading summer light. Twilight.
So I just finished filming like some content. The sun is going down like pretty quickly, and I've been able to get some shots though. Yeah, but then I was looking to get like one particular shot, but then I missed it because of the sunset. But like you, it's all good. It's all good. My bag is heavy. I want to go and see like the church, get some content over there, and then I think I can, head back home. Peace out.
For those quiet days when the hours drift away, petals fall on the window pane as the clouds above float away.
Hey yo, so it's currently let me see the time. It's 7. I'm done with my shoot. I'm going to get a car and then head back to Accra. I don't know if I should stand by the roadside or get a car to Cape Coast. I don't know how, but I'll just ask around and then figure out how I will go to Accra. Yes, peace out.
Evening comes with a fading sun.